Hello and welcome to InterviewStream. If you have not logged on to InterviewStream before, your first step will be to create an account by selecting Register here. So on the right side of the page, you'll be able to input your basic information, create a password, and select Register to log in. Once you've successfully registered and logged in, you will click Conduct an Interview, and then on the left-hand side of the page, select Take Pre-Made Interview. This will bring you to a page with all of the pre-made practice interviews, so make sure that you scroll through them to find the one that your professor has created for your assignment. For this example, we're going to be looking at the French 3401 Advanced Language and Culture assignment. So before you start your interview, you can instead view the questions first to get acquainted with them before starting your assignment. You will first have to complete a hardware check, which is to make sure that your camera and your microphone are operating properly. You are now ready to start your interview, but if you have not used InterviewStream before, or if you would like some additional instructions, you can click here to learn more about the process. So once you scroll through and get some more information, you can click back and then proceed to your interview. After watching your professor's video questions, you'll be able to record your responses, but be aware that your screen will go blank while you're recording. After answering each question, you'll also be given the option to review and re-watch your responses, retry answering the question, or continuing to the next question. Once you've completed your interview, you should select View Interview in order to create a link to share with your professor. To share your answers with your professor, you'll want to scroll down to where it says Share, select the Link tab on the right, generate a link, and copy and paste it to share it with your professor. Thank you for watching this video and happy interviewing!